Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we have 21 divided by 7 brackets open 2 plus 1 brackets close. So this question will follow the almighty PEMDAS rule. So with that, we know we have parentheses first. This question involves parentheses. So we're just going to rewrite it as 21 divided by 7 times 3. So afterwards, what we are going to do is solve from the left to the right side. Now we have 21 divided by 7 times 3. Alright, so 21 divided by 7 gives us nothing else than 3 multiplied by this 3 which is here, gives us our final answer as the product 9. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye.